Today I'm going to teach you how to safely strap your newborn or your baby inside of the car seat. I know that there's a lot of misconceptions about what is considered safe and where the straps should be, so we're going to make it really easy for you today. This is the proper way that a car seat should be before you put the baby in. We have these little pads for the shoulders. It always helps to put the straps all the way to the side so you can actually insert the baby in. One rule of thumb though, never ever add additional accessories that do not come with your car seat. That's really, really important. These came with the car seat, so those are perfectly safe. Okay, I'm gonna insert the baby in the car seat. And move these straps all the way up. There we go. Hi, sweetheart. Okay. She's in the car seat, she's in the right position. Make sure that these little pads are gonna support the side of her neck. So when you pull the actual belt, it won't give her any types of rash or hurt her in any way. So let's take her little arm. I know you wanna hold on to your arm. And there we go. You're gonna make sure that this snaps. Very important that you hear a snap. And snap, and snap. Very important that you hear these little snaps. You see all this loose space? We need to start tightening this up. So we have that tight. I'm gonna start to pull. You're gonna do a few pulls before you really get the car seat in the right placement. So I'm gonna pull a little bit more. Everything the way it's supposed to be. This is now, the bar is across her chest. It should never be on the tummy. It should always be across the chest, basically where their underarms are. It should be fully aligned there. Another rule of thumb is you should be able to get 2 fingers inside the strap right there, but you should never be able to fully pinch the strap. So that's when you know it's perfectly tight. A few more important things to think about when you come home and the baby is sleeping in the car seat. It's not recommended to leave them in the car seat. So even though that may mean them waking up, it's best to always take them out of the car seat, put them in their crib or their bassinet. Second rule of thumb, sometimes if you live in a cold area, you'll be tempted to put your baby in the car seat with a puff jacket or a really big sweater. That's actually really unsafe. You should always take off the jacket and let them be in whatever regular clothing that they're in, like she's in a onesie right now, and strap them in that way. That's the safest way for them to be. Our baby is nice and cozy, and most importantly, she's safe. If you're unsure about how to strap your baby in properly, feel free to just pop into your pediatrician's office, and I'm sure that they'll be happy to help. But safety is always key.